Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID password if forgotten. First you have to open your browser on your iPhone, Safari, and then you have to search for iforget.apple.com. Now from here you will find a button forget password. Simply click on it. Now if you are resetting your password for yourself, or then you just need to click on reset my password and help someone else. This option is allowed for others, that if you want to help other to resetting their password, then you have to go through this button. Now I'm going to reset my password. After a simple loading, you will find this type of interface. It may ask for your passcode, or it may verify you through their Face ID, and it also can ask for the phone number that you have added as a trusted phone number to your Apple ID. Then you have to confirm the phone number. Then after confirming the phone number, you will find two boxes. One is for new password and another one is confirming the password that you have entered. Then you have to confirm, then click on done button, and the password will be changed. That's how you can change your password of your Apple ID. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.